Okay, trigonometry is measurement with angles, and there's two things we can do. We can find a side or we can find an angle. In this case, we're finding a side, and the first thing we need to do is label our sides. This one's hypotenuse and this one's adjacent. So it tells me that cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse, or the cos of 23 degrees 49 minutes equals x on 11.8. So to find x, I need to times 11.8 times the cos of the angle. I don't have a calculator, so we'll have to calculate that later. This one here, we do exactly the same thing. We find the opposite side and the hypotenuse, so we know it's sine. Theta is opposite over hypotenuse. The sine of 41 degrees 15 minutes is 9.7 over h. Now I do what's called the switcheroo. If the unknowns on the bottom, I swap their positions. So h is equal to 9.7 divided by sine 41 degrees 15 minutes. Now again, I don't have a calculator, so we'll figure that out later. Okay, when I want to find an angle, I've still got to figure out what ratio. This one's cos, so cos theta is 5.8 on 7.3. I go inverse sine, or second function cos, and it will bring up the -1, and I go 5.8 divided by 7.3, and it will give me an angle. I'll do another one. This one's tan. Tan theta is 4.9 on 2.1. Theta is tan. You don't have to write this, you can just write the answer. Because I don't have the calculator and I'm doing notes, I'll write the steps 4.9 divided by 2.1. That should give you an answer.